You know, I realized that I should buy a computer. Cause either I build a computer or just buy a built computer. Ryzen is AMD. What's AMD? Wait, Intel is a CPU? Okay, I'm gonna start trying to get a donation started for a computer. Cause you know, I can't even play anything on this laptop. Thank you, Belma. Oh my god, thank you so much. Same, I never lost. Aw, Baron, thank you for the 200. Whoa.
I didn't like it when I was.
Come on. Thank you for the $200 again. Oh my god. Hello. Are we all good? You guys are actually set up on my bed. And then I have everything over here. A tiny table. Did you watch a lot of install videos? I only watched one. I watched it like twice. What's the part list? You know what? I'll just upload my part list on Discord. If you want to know what the parts are, I have them on my Discord. It's under FAQ. So first, I took the PC apart already. So it's like, you know, it's through. You can go through it. I thought that I would have more screws, but I ended up only have like one. So there's just one in here. And my screwdriver, scissor, and a knife. That's exactly a knife. But this is my first time, so I bought this today, so I had to go all the way to Best Buy to buy it. I mean, it was all the same price online anyways. New PC, yes, new PC. I'm like terrified to touch anything right now. Do you know what the sticker is for, guys? Why do I have a sticker? Is that to put on top of this? Okay, I have the motherboard. Okay, I have the part to put it. It's so ugly. So I don't know what this is. What is this? What is it for? So nice. Can I touch the back? Like, how do I take this out? I can't even see it. Let's see. Oh crap, I don't have the tiny screw. Wait, let me go grab it. Tiny screwdriver for tiny screws. Is it on? Wow, is it supposed to make weird noises? It's making crunchy noises. It's supposed to make noise, right? Guys? Well, nothing blew up yet, so... What? How? How? Oh, there we go. Alright, the SSD. How does anyone work with this? It's so tiny. Camera is mirrored. Oh, I'll unmirror it for you guys. Oh, there we go. Wait. What's wrong with this goddamn screw? Urgh. This is okay, right? It's like bouncing. Oh, it's lit out. I've never been this stressed in my life. How do you guys make your computer? Stupid screw. Oh, I got it, guys. Why did you get the micro ATX Mobo? What's a micro? Mobo? Oh, motherboard. This is micro? I have no idea. I don't even know what I bought. Is that it? I think that was it, right? Ta-da! You are doing a splendid job for a first time. Do people mess up? I mean, I did watch like a few videos. Do I have to unscrew this? No. Don't unscrew. Okay, it's supposed to just slide out. Oh, it's coming out. Oh! Do people mess up? I mean, I did watch like a few videos. GG. Dead PC. Why is it sideways? Is it okay to be sideways? Yeah, that's okay. And I messed it up! I got dust on it. Okay, whatever. It's a little smudged, but I'm pretty sure that's okay, right? Dude, I'm like half shaking and half like nervous I'm going to make something explode. Oh, this is the L shape. It's supposed to go over here, right? Where's this supposed to go? The radiator is the top, right? Like that on the top. Is this the bottom? I'm guessing that's the bottom. Do the fans point top or bottom? Do I screw it in now? All the way. Still building it. What's overclocking? I barely do anything on my computer. And how can I overclock by just watching K-drama, you know? Unless I have like 3,000 K-dramas open. Maybe. Oh, if you overclock, you can watch more K-dramas. Do I add this now? Guys, it won't go in because of the RAM. What should I do? Wait, let me take a break, guys. Oh, my instruction is ripping. How do I rip this off? I just need help taking this top part off. Oh, I got it. Oh my god, my nail ripped. Hi. So you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just unscrewing. Okay, just hang there then. I don't know which hole to put it on. Mine. Yeah. I mean, there's so many holes. Which one is it? I don't know where this fan was either. I'm like 3 seconds away from like, you know, maybe I should work on this tomorrow. You guys can see my eye now. This is gonna be one mean K-drumming machine. It's gonna be the best. What do you mean? There's something you guys need to know. I had like 0 computer knowledge before I built this. I had to look everything up. I wish this was like YouTube or something so I could just like, you know, like clip it so you guys don't have to see it. So you guys don't have to see it. Oh, I hope no one else struggles this much like me. So it's just for recaps. I got my motherboard in. On the motherboard, I have the Ryzen 3 600, and then I have the cooler, which is now mounted on the front over there, and then I have one lone sad fan over there, and I had to mount the other one on the top, but I'm still lost. No can do. You think I could just leave this out for now? Will it run for a while? When do I need this top fan? Bye. Anyways, okay, what next? What's next? Whoosh. Put it back. Power supply. GPU. Ah! What is all this? Back on the side. What the fuck? Why does this not have a cap? Ah! My leg! It's trying to eat my legs. Is there a right way? Oh yeah, there is. It's like the little thing. Okay, where does this USB go? Okay, this is final. This is it, right? She did it! For the USB, do I put it in the USB 1.2 or the 3.4? It's...
Hey, Candibunnii.
Hi.
Do you need help right now?
I wish I was Bob the Builder.
Okay.
Okay, do I turn it on now? Do I like click
Whenever
the
you're
button?
ready. Press it?
Yeah. Bro, it's so colorful. Literally, do you see on the screen?
So you got the monitor power plugged in, right?
That's what I'm doing right now.
So no power in the monitor.
Last time I used the monitor was like at least 5 years ago.
Do monitors need power?
Apparently they do.
No, it's supposed to be wireless, right?
Yeah.
It's all wireless energy.
Oh my god, what is this? Is this supposed to happen? Oh, you guys
works.
can't see
Yeah,
it.
it works. It works.
Yeah, it's posted.
Right.
Alright, so it's posting.
Oh, it's doing something?
Is it working?
What is this?
This is a BIOS. Candy, do you know how to install Windows?
I never installed a Windows before. CPU temperature is 41 degrees. Motherboard is 36 degrees. This is all Celsius.
Well, know that.
I understand.
I mean, it could be cold.
Okay, make sure all the RAM's memories are reading. Candy, is it reading the M.2?
Oh, M.2.
Desktop Windows.
Oh yeah, it is. It's 500 gigabytes. Oh,
So,
Oh.
Candy, do you have a USB stick?
we are in, boys. Yeah, I do.
I think you need at least 8 gig. How fast is your internet?
Let's
'Cause-
find out. Because if it's gonna
Yeah.
take like 3 hours, I'm just gonna...
No, it's not
I-
gonna take 3 hours.
I have 5 gigabytes left. Is that gonna be enough? Oh, actually it says 13 minutes.
It's gonna be less than that.
Yeah, it's gonna be less.
Stop playing with the computer now.
Hi guys. Oh, my back.
Stretch, Candy.
Oh, wait, let me stretch first. Oh, there's rainbow one.
Ugh.
Okay, can you show us?
Yeah. I don't think you can really see it because it's so bright, but... Oh, you know, okay, so, our house, when I used to live back in my other house, like, I found this old ass, like, laptop, right? And then, I opened it, I was like, where's the mouse pad? And there was just this tiny knob. I was like, what is this? And I, like, scrolled on it, and it actually moved. I was like, wow, this is what they used for a mouse a long time ago. Oh, this is gonna take forever.
How fast is your internet?
Not fast.
Percentage is it on right now?
0.
It's, oh wait, it says sign. Oh my fucking god.
This is gonna take another whole day.
Yeah, honestly.
It's 2:36 a.m. in New York. I'm tired.
Yeah, I haven't eaten dinner or anything. Thank you everyone for watching and helping me, guys. You're MVP, honestly. Without you guys, I didn't think this thing would run.
Good to y'all.
Good night.
Good night.
Great stream.
Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much again.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Bye.
the stream.
Bye, pal.
Latest, guys.
Bye.